Hello dear students, so today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 10, Motion and Measurement of Distances. And in this chapter we are going to cover the following topics like what is measurement, need of a standard units for measurement, measuring length accurately with a meter scale, motion and rest, and types of motion. So students, we use different devices to measure quantities such as distance, time, mass and length. For example, weighing scale is used to measure weight of any object. Measuring can we are using to measure liquid. Clock we use to measure time, and measuring tape and rulers are used to measure length of any object. Thermometer we are using to measure temperature. Then what is measurement? Measurement is the process of finding the size or quantity of a substance using specific devices. Ancient methods of measurement. In ancient times, people used different body parts such as handspan, footspan, cubit, etc. to measure length. First, handspan. Handspan is the distance between the tip of the thumb and the tip of the little finger of a fully stretched hand. Now next, footspan. Footspan is the distance from the tip of the longest toe to the end of the ankle. And in the second picture you can see that two little girls are using their footspan to measure length of a particular room. Third, cubit. Cubit is the distance between the tip of the middle finger and the elbow. And in the second picture you can see that this boy is using his cubit to measure length of the table. Next, need of standard units of measurement. So students, we have seen that in ancient time people used their body parts like handspan, footspan, cubit to measure length, but the non-standard units used in ancient time are not reliable, as the length of the body parts varies from person to person. Varies means it differs from person to person. And handspan, footspan, cubit, these are non-standard units. So what is unit? A fixed quantity with respect to which a physical quantity is measured is called a unit. Standard units of measurement. So therefore people realize the need of standard units of measurement. Then what is standard units? Units that have a fixed quantity and do not vary from person to person and place to place are called standard units. Now in this chapter we will discuss units of length. The SI unit, SI full form is International System of Units. The SI unit of length is meter. The length of the cricket bat is close to 1 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. The width of the button, as you can see in the second picture, is close to 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and centimeter, millimeter are used to measure shorter lengths, whereas kilometers is used to measure long distances. Now we will learn correct methods of measurement using a ruler. Step number 1. Keep the ruler along the length of the object so that the zero of the scale is at the starting point from where the length is to be measured. Step number 2. If the edge of the ruler is broken, then start the measurement from the next clear marking and find the difference between the two readings. So as you can see in this diagram that the ruler is broken from one side. So we have started measurement from 2 centimeter. So what is the actual length of the pencil? The actual length of the pencil is final reading minus initial reading. Final reading is 12 centimeter minus 2 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So the actual length of the pencil is 10 centimeter. Step number 3. Eyes should be exactly above the point where the measurement is to be taken. If your eyes are at a different position, you might get wrong readings. Now we will learn how to measure the length of a curved line. So the length of the curved line can be measured using a string or a thread. For that, place the thread over the curved line. Make 2 marks on the thread correspond to the ends of the line. Now place the thread on the scale and measure the length between the 2 markings on the thread. So in this picture, we have you can see that the length of the curved line is equal to 7 centimeter. So students, I hope you have understood the topic very well. Thanks for watching.